Solve the following inequality and represent your solution on the number line. So we've got 3 minus 4x is greater or equal to 15. So writing that down. So we solve this like solving an equation. So we've got plus 3 here. So what we need to do is take 3 from both sides, but we need to remember on this side to write in the minus 4x, the inequality sign, and then 15 minus 3 is going to be 12. The next step, we need to divide both sides by minus 4, so that will give x on that side. Now, dividing by a negative number means that we need to reverse the inequality sign. So you need to remember to reverse the inequality sign, and then 12 divided by minus 4 will give me minus 3. Now we need to draw a number line. So we draw a line with an arrow at one end. Mark on minus 3. Now, because it's equal to, we draw the circle and we fill the circle in because it's equal to as well. Now we want less than, because x is less than or equal to minus 3. Less than is going to be that side of that circle, so going that way. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a linear inequality and represent your solution on a number line. I hope you understood, and I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching.